Welcome back to the channel, guys and gals. On today's episode on Bucks RCs, I'm going to be talking a little bit about the new proline 1967 Ford Mustang body. So let's just go ahead and get right into the video, guys. Proline is releasing a 1967 Ford Mustang body for your drag cars. It is, well, the body is awesome. It looks scaled to me, and it is a direct fit for your AE dr10 and 22S losi no prep drag car. And you can put it on your two-wheel drive slash, but well, in this video I'll leave the parts you have to buy to fit the Mustang body on your two-wheel drive slash. I'll leave all the parts list in this video, and also I'll leave a couple pictures in it too, because I know everybody knows what it looks like. I just thought I'd pop on here for a minute to let everybody know what Proline done. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Then right beside the subscribe button, there's that notification bell that you tap it. And you tap it to all so you don't miss out on any of my videos when I upload them on YouTube. You will be the first to get notified to watch my videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon on the next one. Just get outside and rip it. No matter if you're bashing, rock crawling, doing speed runs, playing with your drones, airplanes, helicopters, or anything. If it's beautiful outside, just get outside and do something. Hope the weather's been fine wherever you're from. The weather down here, it's been pretty good today. Well, I'm gonna quit rambling now and get off here, edit this video, put it on YouTube. Hope y'all join my videos. Well, this is just about the end of the video. Stay safe. Y'all have a wonderful night. And I will talk to you later, guys and gals.